Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another vlog. As you all know that I am at my in-laws home. As you can see, there are ingredients for the making holige. Here I have taken 2 kg all-purpose flour or maida and 100 gram rava, and this rava comes very smooth and fine, and this is especially known as holige rava. Then salt and turmeric just half tablespoon, and water as required for the flour. And there is one more rava available in the market, that is Bombay rava, but here that doesn't come to use here. Now mix all the things. In the place of turmeric you can use food color too. Holige is kind of sweet paratha. Here I have made 3 parts out of this dough because it's not possible to knead at a time. Follow the way as I am doing here. Kneading is the most important step to prepare the holige. The more you knead the flour, the more the puris will come smooth and fine. Here the usage of oil is more. Now keep it rest for at least 6 to 7 hours. Now next process is preparing the puran for the puris. Here I have taken 2 kg chana dal and 2 kg jaggery as the same requirement for the flour. And that is fennel seeds, dry ginger and cardamom. Now roasting fennel seeds, cardamom. Here no needs to roast the dry ginger. Just crush the dry ginger and then add to the jar. Make it powder. After boil the water, I have added dal to it. Chana dal can substitute with the tur dal. Now dal is boiled very well. Now time to straining it. Next here adding the jaggery to it. Here these two things must be in same quantity. This is fennel powder which I am adding here. Now again need to cook the dal till the jaggery melts very well. You need to be switch off the flame when there is just small amount of water in the dal. Otherwise the puran will get very dry. Here I am using grinder to make the puran. You can use mixer jar too. I was in charge of making the puris, and other hand my mother-in-law and my 2 sister-in-law together made this salan and this curry. This is common to give biryani in the Ramzan, but we did in different manner. Here I have made the small balls by the puran. It is not easy task to make the puris. There are must have 2 or 3 persons to do this. Bake the puris on low flame only. After I got tired, my mother-in-law came and she did in her own way. She flips the puri by both sides, but I don't do. You can use non-stick tawa or this kind of tool. We were busy like anything from morning to evening itself. You need to stretch the flour like this. And finally we did everything ready. And this is how we gave in our neighbors by setting all the things in a plate. And 5 kg rice we prepared then. And that's for all today. If you like it, then hit the thumbs up. And Khuda Hafiz.